Hello, my name is Chase, and today I'm going to be talking about Newton's three laws of motion.
First, we're going to talk about Newton's first law. Newton's first law states an object will stay at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Let's take a look at this car. This car is stationary and at the moment only has two forces acting on it, the force of gravity and the normal force, which cancel each other out. And since it is stationary, we have a net force of 0 in both directions. Similarly, if this car were to move at a constant velocity, it would mean that it is not accelerating and would also have a net force of 0. Now we're going to talk about Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless disturbed by an external force. This is basically a statement of inertia, which is an object's tendency to continue doing what it's doing. Let's take a look at the car again. This car has a non-zero net force because this time it is accelerating. If there are no other external forces acting on the car, it will continue moving forever unless some outside force tries to stop it. This can be represented by the equation F equals ma. This is basically saying that force is equal to mass times an acceleration of an object. Last but not least, we have Newton's third law. The law states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, let's take a look at the car for one last time, and let's see how this works. If this blue car were to run into this red car, the red car would exert a force back on the blue car that is equal and opposite to the force that the blue car exerted on the red car. This would mean that the red car would be pushed left, and the blue car would either slow down or stop. This is the end of my explanation on Newton's laws of motion. Thank you and hope you enjoyed.